You have a GoPro? Do you have a Sena 50S or a Sena 50R? You can control your GoPro hands-free with voice command through your Sena without taking your hands off the bars or fumbling for buttons or collecting a bunch of junk footage because you just couldn't stop the camera from recording. Let me show you how. So first you turn the GoPro on and go into your device's settings by swiping down, go into preferences, select wireless connections, and select the remote. Then put your Sena device into GoPro pairing mode. If you purchased your device a little while ago, you'll have to do the most recent firmware update for this mode to appear in your configuration menu. So first I'm going to turn the Sena 50S on. To enter into the configuration menu, I'm going to press and hold the jog dial on the 50S. You have to hold that jog dial for 5 seconds. Then I'm going to scroll through until I hear GoPro pairing. Once I hear GoPro pairing, I'll press the phone button, which is the button at the very back of this device. My Sena 50S and the GoPro will pair. Connection successful. Now I can control my GoPro by saying things like, GoPro, start recording. GoPro, stop recording. All right guys, so that's it for the GoPro voice command integration for the Sena 50S and the Sena 50R. I can't wait to see the videos of your adventures that you come up with. If you like, share the URL to any of them that you post online in the comments section below. And if you post them on social media, tag Sena Bluetooth.